Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Tucson key fob battery. Start by gathering your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is crucial for carefully opening the key fob without causing damage. Additionally, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. This specific battery type is standard for many key fobs. Having these items prepared will make the process smooth and efficient, allowing you to quickly restore full functionality to your key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually found on the side or bottom edge. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time and apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The two sections should separate with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is typically the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, matching the orientation of the old battery. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob. Confirm that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons are all functioning correctly, ensuring your key fob is fully operational once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.